morning children. Today we are going to see science, the continuation. Topic name: leaf as food factory. Plant need a food but they never depend on people or animal. See, we depend on our parent. They'll make the food using the fire and also the crops like rice and vegetables. They make a food and then we'll have it. Animals, they just eat the raw food without cooking. They'll eat a fruit, plants and the other animals. But leaf, they make their food on own. That process is called a photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. We split it into photo and synthesis. Photo means light. Synthesis means make. So, they make a food by using the light. That is the sunlight. Photosynthesis is a process by which plants make their food using chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is nothing but the leaf which has a green color. They all do the chlorophyll by water, carbon dioxide in the presence of sunlight. Let us see how the process is organized with the plants. First thing, the plants is here. It's a tomato plant. The water they get from the roots, and then water through the root and observing the sunlight and also intake the carbon dioxide and breathe out the oxygen. So if we sit near to our plants or trees, even the banyan trees, we'll get a good oxygen and clean oxygen to breathe, because the plants will excrete the oxygen and intake the carbon dioxide. Water is absorbed from the root. I showed you, right? Next, carbon dioxide in the air passes through small pores in the leaf. I told you, right? Behind the leaf there is a pores. It's called as stomata. Through this, air enter into the leaf. So carbon dioxide enter into the leaves. Sunlight, a green pigment in the leaf, helps them to trap a sunlight. So I told you, right? The green color leaf will absorb the sunlight. The pigment is called a chlorophyll. Most leaves are green in color because of their green pigments. The color it get by pigment, so that it will absorb the sunlight. Through stomata, air enter into the leaf, and then using the water they get from the root. So the three kinds, they make their own food. Through photosynthesis, plant produce the food and release the oxygen into the air. Water plus carbon dioxide plus sunlight and chlorophyll, they make their food and release the oxygen. The plants prepare a food for themselves and also for other living things. They are called a primary producers. In olden days, they will conduct a school or classes under the tree, because if we sit under the tree and learn something new, our mind will be very free to observe all the new things, because we are getting a good air blows from the trees. Especially in the banyan trees, we will get a good air. It will be more fresh and more strength of our brain, so that we can observe easily and understand the easily new things and subjects. So that in olden days, they keep children to sit under the trees and let them teach. So that's a very good habit, right? So children, always plant the trees and go sit near to the trees and study. You can see the differences. So up to this, we are going to complete the class today. Today we saw the photosynthesis process and what are the things the trees are getting and what are the things the trees are giving to us. So up to this the class is finished. Thank you children.